Hello everyone, I'm Janvi Gaur, Vedic astrologer, tarot card reader and life coach. Today I'm going to guide you how to proceed forward due to all the planetary positions and changes that have occurred in the month of May 2020. Before I begin, check out my last video to get a deeper understanding of all the changes. Let's begin with Saturn retrograde, which occurred on the 11th of May. What Saturn expects from us, how he wants us to behave and move forward from here is what we need to look into. Saturn is a planet of karma. Saturn has come into dignity for 5 years, from 2020 to 2025, and it's time that we really understand what he expects from us in order to live a healthier, happier and a peaceful life. Being the planet of karma, Saturn believes in oneness. Nobody's rich, nobody's poor, no man, no woman, no religion, no caste, no creed, no belief. Everybody is one and everybody is connected to one string called high morals and good karmas. We all know what good and bad karmas are, so I'm not going to stretch on that and dwell on that. We just need to take a look deep within and know that the major power in life is how we conduct, what our deeds are, and not us alone. So this is what Saturn wants us to have a deeper understanding about. Do a lot of charity, help a lot of poor people in this time. Think about think more about the unfortunate people around us, animals, all the creations of Mother Earth. This is what Saturn expects from each one of us. Venus retrograde, which occurred on the 14th of May 2020. Venus, the planet of love, money, finances, everything has gone retrograde. And now in our life, we need money and we need love. We want money and we want love. Now, when Venus gets retrograde, it is very natural to feel very scared, vulnerable, and a bit unstable in all the aspects. So what I'm going to suggest that please stay calm for the next 2 weeks. Venus is retrograde till the 26th of June. So it's going to start taking some power and degree in the month of June, and it's going to get on track from June. So till the end of May, stay calm, make sure you don't fight with your partner, with your lover, you don't overspend, you don't get scared of your money. You're paying a lot of bills and the bank balance is getting less. It will again fill. It will be you will have money to survive. You will have your partner with you. There is no need to feel so nervous and so unstable. And what Venus expects from us to take care, because it's a planet of love and money, so beauty comes with it. So pamper yourself, do a lot of beauty treatments, do a lot of face masks, hair masks, everything. So because till we get into a good time of Venus, which is in June, instead of fighting and worrying, it's better to groom yourself and feel positive for the coming time. Jupiter retrograde from the 14th of May till the 13th of September. Jupiter, the planet of knowledge, guru, wisdom, information. I mean, what would we do without Jupiter? That has gone retrograde. It has started retrograding from Capricorn and will retrograde up to Sagittarius. Sagittarius, is its own lord, its own house. So definitely Jupiter will also go into dignity. When Jupiter gets into dignity, it expects us to act on all the knowledge and information that we have had so far. We have a lot of spiritual knowledge, a lot of religious knowledge, and of course a lot of in this time especially, a lot of information that has come to us which is not necessary. So we are all the time in a yo-yo. We get positive news, we get negative news, but in this time what Jupiter expects from us is only to hold on to the positive energy, the positive news, positive information, and dwell on that. Must do charity towards the trusts or institutes which help in giving knowledge, like schools, teaching poor children, teaching underprivileged, whichever organizations are doing that. Help them, support them, because we need to spread true wisdom, true information, true knowledge, cosmos information, the knowledge of Mother Earth, how she operates and how we are supposed to live on it. All that information needs to be spread and supported for the coming generations and coming DNAs to live in peace, harmony and abundance.